Oliver from XGENAUTO, and welcome to our Builder Spotlight series. In this series, we're going to be featuring some amazing builds and interviewing their owners. And stay tuned to the end of the video to see how you can win free parts from XGENAUTO. I'm here with Alex, aka alexsteelers on Instagram. Tell us where you're from and what kind of car you drive.
I'm right here from Pomona, California, and I drive a 2022 Honda Accord Sport.
Can you describe what was like the vision for your build?
My vision was mostly something simply and clean, but more luxury towards the inside. Real clean, slick look, but more of a VIP inside. My inspiration mostly towards Junction Produce. I've seen a lot of builds they've done and people that are inspired through them too. My dad kind of inspired me to build. We've always gone to car shows, worked on his truck, made me want to do my own build. So I mean, I've had others in the past. I've had 2 Honda Civics and then another actually 2018 Accord, and I've been tinkering and building on those ones.
That's really awesome. You mentioned a 2018 Honda Accord. What happened with that one?
I ended up getting hit in the rear quarter panel. Stuff happens, but just the process of getting through of building it again.
Was your vehicle totaled? What was that process like?
So my vehicle ended up being totaled. My insurance, they ended up cashing me out, and a lot of it was salvageable, but a lot of it was either trash from the hit or I couldn't use it because of a different year.
Walk us through everything you've done to the car. We'll start from the exterior and then we'll talk a little bit about the interior.
So I've done the Akasaka lip with a street Aero splitter, Blackout Grille with the Angel headlights, BBS RS wheels, 3-piece with a triple step lip, 16-inch face, titanium hardware. So the interior, I went with a blue carbon fiber steering wheel, a blue carbon fiber shift knob to match it, blue rose seats that I've custom made, blue suede VIP tables. And then also I've done a star headliner. It's a 1200 stars that I brutally put in. It's a lot of work. And then I added a chandelier just to set it all off.
Nice.
Airlift performance suspension, window visors, carbon mirror caps. So they're all blue carbon fiber pillars with the carbon fiber antenna and carbon fiber back window diffuser.
Carbon fiber.
Duckbill wing, chrome trim around the emblem. I've done the Yofer side skirts, Yofer rear diffuser, cleared out taillights, and the bumper cleared out with the third brake light clear.
I definitely love the look of the car, and it really pops against the blue color of the car.
I chose blue because blue's my favorite color, but I really just don't like red. The only thing I really do got is the red Honda on my license plate frame, but I mean, it's Honda, you gotta keep it original.
A lot of patience in building all this.
Yeah, it's a lot of blood, sweat, and tears into my build.
How much did you buy the car for, and how much did you spend in parts?
Roughly about $24,000, and then in parts about $18,000. Bigger purchases were air suspension around $4,000, the wheels around $3,000, $4,000. To me, it's worth it. If you think of it, $18,000 as one number, it's a lot, but I mean, $100 here and there, $200 here and there.
So what do you love most about having a modified car?
What I love most is the feedback. I mean, you put all this effort into the car, and I know I love it because I built it. For you guys coming out and telling me, oh, I love your guys' build, what have you done, where'd you get it? Like, me helping you is the reason why I really do it.
It's great that you're able to like inspire other people and just share their passion. For someone who's never modified their car before, do you have any advice for beginners who want to start getting into the hobby and start modifying their own vehicles?
To start off, I would suggest lip kit. Even little simple things can bring it out, just make it more aggressive, make it pop. Just the way it sits, wheels and suspension. I would like to say be patient. A lot of effort, blood, sweat, and tears goes into building it.
If people want to come and check out you in person and your vehicle, how can they come see you?
I'll be in San Diego for Tuner Evo on 4/12 and LA Convention Center for Cali Creaming on 5/24. If you guys want to come check it out, ask me questions, see the build.
Thanks for watching and supporting XGENAUTO. If you like content like that and want to see more, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you want to win free parts from XGENAUTO, comment modified down below in the comment section.